Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming model and one UI version so you pick the right method. This matters because menus differ. Once confirmed, back up anything sensitive. Deleting fingerprint data removes biometric records. Make sure developer options are enabled when you might need ADB or full UI control. Tap build number 7 times, then enable USB debugging. Now, open settings and go straight to biometrics and security. We'll remove the animation and related overlays in the next step. You'll authenticate and open fingerprints to find the animation toggle. Disabling it fixes most cases immediately. If that toggle isn't present, clear System UI cache in Settings App System UI, force stop, then Storage Clear Cache. This refreshes on-screen behavior. For stubborn setups, use a DB, connect via USB, authorize the PC, then run the command to set fingerprint hide animation to 1. That forces the system to stop showing the animation. After any change, reboot to apply settings and verify. Once you've applied the setting, reboot and test the sensor 3 to 5 times to confirm the animation is gone and unlock speed is normal. If a system update restores the animation, repeat the ADB or cache clear step. Updates can reset secure settings. If you encounter errors or loss of biometric access, use your backup to restore or, as a final option, perform a safe factory reset, only after saving data. Remember, keeping USB debugging off when not needed reduces security risk.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.